Lucky, you got a package in the mail. Lucky, come. You got a package from Michigan, from Terry. You got antlers. This is my vegan dog, Lucky. He loves these. On a protective diet, we're into sustainability, and these antlers are totally sustainable. Bye, Lucky. Have a good day. Oh, he's back. Are you gonna put that in a special spot? He loves these antlers. They last a long time, and Terry, he polishes them up, he collects them, and they're just a great chew toy for your dogs that offer protection to the animals and our planet. And that's what we're all about, on a protective diet. Thanks, Terry. These are beautiful. Lucky, you're so lucky. Yes. New antler bones. Click on the circle with the eye in it for the link to get these antlers home to your lucky dog from MichiganAntlerArt.com. Naturally shed U.S. Rocky Mountain antlers for my lucky dog. Totally sustainable. Take care and best of health.